North of Van Lang, many tribes
A message from Thuk Fan.
To me, my warriors! We will win this day!
Chúng tôi rất trung thành.
Highness, our numbers are strong, but there are troops holding back. I suggest you take the warriors near our keep and bring them into the fray.
Ok, đi về hướng mặt trời mọc.
We have fended them off, but more are coming. I suggest reinforcing our numbers before they arrive, Highness.
Một ngày tuyệt vời để chiến đấu.
Kế hoạch của chúng ta ra sao? Tôi có thấy cây vũ bão.
Our numbers are bolstered. How reassuring. And just in time, I see troops on the horizon.
Ngọn giáo của chúng ta rất bén nhọn.
A message from Thuk Fan.
Well defended, my friend! Your command fills me with pride! Now, you must show that you can run a village with equal skill.
Đi thôi.
Remember, Highness, that we must keep popularity high to attract new peasants. Maybe plant more rice fields to allow us to feed the peasants more. They seem to appreciate this. We are under attack! With these farms all in place, bountiful harvests will be delivered to the granary, and we have the option to increase rice rations. This will deplete rice stocks faster, but also improve your popularity, Excellence. With such generous rice rations, your popularity has risen. This means we can raise taxes and bring more gold into the treasury. Our village economy is flourishing. However, we are now running low on wood. I would suggest placing some wood camps, sire.
Chúng ta sẽ thắng.
This warlord is now under your command, Excellency. Click on the Warlords button to open the Warlords map. A message from Thuk Fan.
It is time to stop cowering and look outwards. Let's see what your warriors can do.
By capturing the neighboring warlords of this region, the king can send a stark message to any who still challenge him. Each warlord must be defeated in combat before he will swear loyalty to you.
Dân, dân, đội trưởng. Chúng ta nên đi đâu? Băng qua